Hey, how are you? I hope all you are doing very well, and I wish you all the best for success on your journey into opening a new world for you. Learning a totally different language opens a totally different and new and exciting world for you. You are going to enjoy all these perks later. Let's move forward. The word for now in Spanish is ahora. Ahora. As H is not pronounced in Spanish, we directly go from A to O. Ahora. Ahora. Can you say now, I want it now? I want it now. Lo quiero ahora. Exactly. Lo quiero ahora. Can you say, I don't want it now? Very simple. No lo quiero ahora. No lo quiero ahora. The word for like that or that way in Spanish is así. Así. Can you say it's like that? It's like that. Es así. It's not like that. No es así. Can you say, I want it like that? I want it like that. Lo quiero así. Lo quiero así. Don't want it like that. No lo quiero así. No lo quiero así. Can you say, I want it like that, but now? I want it like that, but now. Lo quiero así, pero ahora. Lo quiero así, pero ahora. I want it like that, but now. Can you say, it's not possible like that? It's not possible like that. No es posible. No es posible así. It's not possible like that. So today we learned the sentences of now, ahora, and like that, así. I hope you understand these.